This is what they do. Drink and eat. Drink and eat. Called drinking, eating, or eating, drinking. Poor Ginny. Such a good mama. She's a good mama. So what happens here is all of them pulling on there, trying to drink, is stimulating her. Eventually, the milk will let down. It's not like they're getting anything right now. A little bit, probably not at all. And then all of a sudden, you'll stop them. You'll see them stop pulling, and they'll just start drinking, and you can hear it too. And that's when the milk lets down. So basically, it all comes shooting out at the same time. I'll pause the video and start it when that happens. Here it goes, it's starting. And then their tails start wagging. It's so cute. Now you know they're getting something. Pet all of them. Get them used to being touched. See the milk coming out. And once the spigot is empty, they go on to find another one. At least try to find another one. Most of the time they go to, there's only not 9, 10, 6 pups. So there's only 3 that are open. Quite the process. All day, all night. Jin's a good mama. She keeps a very clean house. Those little bits right there are from the puppies pushing their feet into the blanket, and so I have to cut their toenails, their front toenails, so they don't keep blanket in their toenails and they don't scratch Jin. I didn't know that our first litter with Gabby. Gabby got cut up a little bit from the toenail, so now I cut the toenails so they're not so sharp. That's quite the process. 60 little toenails. I don't do the back ones yet. Eventually I will. Okay. And soon they'll fall asleep. Now if they're still hungry and they keep sucking on her, some of them will actually fall asleep in the process. And then about another 10 minutes or so, the milk will let back down. Looks like they still want some more. So they'll keep sucking and she's producing. Eventually it'll let back down and they'll get their bellies full and they'll fall asleep. Usually by the second feeding, because she is very plentiful in her milk. Now the front spigots up here, they don't have as much milk. So usually these guys fall asleep faster than the ones up front. Alright, till next time.